Hi, it's Derek Gray from Telesteps. I'm just here to explain to you how to pick the right loft ladder for your requirements. We do 2 loft ladders. Your particular situation will be you will have the joist and the ceiling of your house. What you need to do is measure 100 millimeters from the top of your joist down the joist and mark a line. From that line, you then need to measure from the line to the floor of your hallway. That will give you a measurement. Make a note of the measurement, and then if the measurement is between 2.35 and 2.45, you will need our product 60324-101. However, if the measurement is between 2.5 and 2.97, you will need our product number 60927-101. Both products are available from Toolstop.co.uk.